Hello, I'm Mio. Today I went to the port. It was a little cloudy, but we had a great time at the picnic. A big ship was docked there and I was impressed by the majesty of the ship. I'm going to draw an illustration using the photo. Let's lighten a dark photo a little. Edit tonal correction tone curve. This is a tone curve. Select RGB and try to move the curve down to make it darker. Pull the curve upward to lighten it a little. Next, select blue and apply a little blue to the entire image. The image now looks already different from the original photo, lighter and clear. Next, I'll show you a simple way to change a photo into an illustrative style. Filter effect artistic. Set line density and line opacity around 50 to 60. Set line thickness to 25 and number of colors to 20. You can see the line thickness slowly changing in the presets window. Lower the line density a little more. Set the rest of the values to 1. Next, we will change the sky to a summer blue sky. Select Color Gamut. Error margin of color is to decide the range of colors to select. Let's set it to 8. When you touch the white sky with the pen, the area of that color will be selected. A part of the ship and some part of the sea surface are also selected. Select a gradient from the icons on the left. From the sub-tool, select Midday Sky and add color from top to bottom. Repeat as many times as you like until you get the color you like. You can control the opacity by moving the horizontal bar at the layer palette. Let's paint white clouds in the summer sky. Use the soft airbrush to softly draw the outline of the clouds. It's best not to draw a clear, strong line. The clouds will have light and dark areas. Select watery ink from the brush's sub-tool. Now paint the upper part of the cloud with a clear white color. Control the opacity scale to change the intensity of the white. Pick a gray color from the color wheel. Use the same brush to paint the dark areas of the cloud. The surface of the cloud will be white and there will be a dark area below the center. Using a watery ink brush, take the white from the color wheel and shape the clouds. Touch the opacity and brush density several times to create the subtlety of the white clouds. The edges of the clouds are not made of lines, but are drawn like a lump of cotton. Let's try to express the feeling of cloud formation in summer. Remove the selection and fill in the border between the sky and the mountains. This is almost done. Let's Let's add some bright, vivid colors to the mountain green. Select the watercolor leaf brush. This was downloaded from an external source of Clip Studio Paint. Pick up the bright green from the color wheel and paint it on the mountain ridge. Since the mountain is in the distance, I added blue tones. I'll also mix in some darker colors. It's getting better and better. Paint the grassy area in the nearby landscape. Place the darker colors in the foreground, and lighten the tops of the grasses with a slightly yellowish green. I want the viewer's eye to move from the ship to the mountains. Now it's almost done. Take the crayon from the sub-tool and make the border between the sea and the concrete shore clear. Let's add some color to the sea. Use the watery ink brush. Apply a green tone over the light color of the sea. Add a pale brown to the color of the concrete in the foreground. You can see how the brown and green colors complement each other. Apply a light coat of blue color to the entire ship. The purpose is to make the ship blend into the background. Use the opacity bar in the layers palette to reduce the blue tones. Take a Milli pen to draw some antenna towers on top of the mountain. Now this port will look like a high-tech port. Finally, paint the shadows of the ships on the sea with darker colors. Adjust the color of the concrete and seawater. And it's done. The scenery of the harbor on a summer day is done. Thank you for watching. This is Mio Chan. I'll see you soon.